never slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah.
Hindi naman na makikita eh.
I never got anyone's help, had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've ever made. I'm in kingdom for the taking.
Ang ganda ng aking vlog. Basta, hindi ko tayo nakita kang ano ito, mga abogado pa tayo ano ito, private, ano doon? Oh, yan. Hindi, mapakita ko lang kung saan nagluto. Ang gulo mo tayo magagawa, ganyan ang kulay. Siyempre ginagamit. Ito yung aircon, ay hindi, ito pala. Ito buhay natin. Okay naman, sige. Ito yung kwarto. Ito yung kwarto nyo. Ito yung kwarto. May dalawang ano. Malinis ba yung CR dito? Yan, malinis doon, CR. Yan. May, ano lang ito, dito ginagamit. Ano to? Ito ay bahay pasyalan. Kamusta kayong dalawa? Tatlo, apat pala. Oh, maganda ba din? Oh, di ko, excuse. Lupa-vlog lang natin. Oo nga, magulo. Talagang ano okay lang yan. At least alam nilang ginagamit. May cabinet. Ito, CR. Dalawa yung CR. Okay. So, may lamesa, pero may tao eh. Hindi din pero yan. Ayun, may lamesa. Ceiling. Yung rep. Yan, Korean ano. Malabas tayo. Yun. Ito makikita sa labas. Maganda oh. Evergotesco. Ito yung labas. Dalawang unit ito. Ito yung isang unit. Bedroom. So, yung gitna. So, mayroon pang upuan dito. Tsaka sampayan. Yung sa kabila, another bedroom. Madilim pero okay na. Makikita maayos. Ang dilim pala rito paggabi. Ito yung roof deck. Ano makikita nyo sa taas. Ayan o. Doon yung bandang swimming pool. Taas. Ito yung ano tawag dito. Clubhouse. Basketball court. Taas. At pag pumunta ka naman dito sa kabila, makikita mo ay mga bahay. Pero bundok yan. Kaso gabi na eh. Hindi natin maano. So mga subdivision and villages. Lamig dito, sarap. Okay, ano, ganda oh. Okay. Maganda yung environment dito kasi mga okay naman yung mga nakatira. Very safe. Tsaka well guarded. Wala tayong problema sa mga guards. Ito, labas tayo. Makikita nyo sa labas. Lamig oh, meron ba mga puno? Sila po ba? Food court. Ito sa mga buildings. Bakit food court? So, diba? Surprisingly, hindi pa ako nakakatulog dito. Tagal ng ano, diba? Tagal ng may condo, pero di pa ako nakatulog sa condo namin. Ganda ng buildings, no? Pero yung mga kamag-anak ko doon, doon sila tutulog. Ay, ganda. Diba? Ayos. Ay, mahilig kayo sa malamig na lugar, parang nasa Tagaytay, pwede rin dito kasi wala masyadong building sa labas to eh, saka mataas tong era na to, kaya makakapag-relax kayo kung gusto nyong gawing bahay nyo talaga, pwede. Pero siyempre mas malaking family, dapat malaki din yung unit na bibili. May 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms. Tayo pupunta sa labas mga pasyal. Ground. Ayan, diba? Sarap mamasyal. Sarap magpahinga, sarap mag-swimming. Hindi pa rin makapag-swimming dito. Siguro one of these days makapag-swimming tayo. Masula tayo. Sa aircon. Ito yung lobby again. Ayan. Pwede kayo mag-jogging dito kasi malaki itong ikutan nito. Wala na paggabi, very safe dito. Maluwag. Wala kayong problema. Kaya kunyari, small family o kaya new family kayo, new family, pwede na rin dito. O kaya single ka lang, lalong pwede. Napakaganda ng lugar. Paikot. Gabi tayo nagpunta kasi meron tayong pinuntahan sa loob ng unit. Okay ba? Ayos naman ng parking dito, marami. Yun nga lang, bibili ka. Ito, another building. Palabas muna tayo. Pag ikaw ay nagpark sa labas, kailangan naka-blinker ka. Yan lang, dapat bilisan mo, baka ka maubusan ng yung baterya. Hirap. Ito yung pinaka-runabout o ano na tawag dito, parang monumento, circle namin. So yan siya, labas. Labas muna tayo. Yun lang, last look natin, labas. Okay. Labas muna, hi.